Hey, hello everybody. Today we are going to see simulation on DC position control system. So we are going to use a DC motor, preferably a servo motor here. Now we don't have a physical motor, so we'll be doing this in form of simulation on an online software that is Tinkercad. So I have already coded it. We'll go on that particular website and we'll try and simulate the same. Wherein a DC position control system means as and when you change the position of the input, the motor position is going to follow the same. So let's have a quick look at it. So this is the Arduino controller that we have used for DC position control system. The programming is done for Arduino controller. This is the servo motor and this is the input pot position. So as and when we vary the position of pot, we are going to use it for only 0 to 180 degree. That's the limitation of the pot and the servo motor as well. I'll also take you through the code. So this is the code for the servo motor and we're using Arduino Uno. So without much ado, let's quickly start the simulation. So to do the same, I'll click on the start simulation. So this before we do that, let me tell you, this is a online software which is called Tinkercad. We've used Arduino Uno, we've used a servo motor, and we've used a potentiometer which is going to provide an input to the Arduino Uno, and depending on that, Arduino Uno will drive the servo motor. So let's see how it goes all about. I'll click on start simulation. So the motor has changed the position. Now let's see. As you see, as and when I'm changing the set point through the potentiometer, the motor is following. So that's the limitation of the motor. We can spin it to 180 degree and we cannot go beyond that, though we are changing the position of the pot. So here on it starts following. Right, so that is called DC position control system. And through this experiment, what we learn is as and when we change the set point or angle of the pot, the motor follows that angle. That means we can very well adjust the angle of the motor by changing the angle of the pot, and that's the reason you call it as DC position control system. That means you can control the position of the output by controlling the position of the motor by changing the set point. Well, that's it for the experiment DC position control system. Thank you friends, and keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.